Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in automotive accessories. Today, we're showcasing one of the best Dodge truck parts available, the BJSIA Universal Car Antenna Replacement. Whether you're driving a Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, Jeep, or Toyota, this antenna is the perfect upgrade for your ride. Let's dive into what makes this antenna stand out. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and compact design. Standing at just 5.5 inches, it's short yet strong, and built to withstand the elements. This antenna is crafted from rugged 6061 billet aluminum, ensuring it's tough enough to handle wind, rain, and even snow without bending or breaking. Plus, the black anodized finish gives it a scratch-resistant, corrosion-resistant surface that keeps it looking great for years. Installation is a breeze. No tools required. Simply choose the screws that match your vehicle, screw the antenna into place, and you're done. It's as quick as it is easy, and you'll have a new, durable antenna in no time. This antenna is also designed for superior performance. Thanks to its built-in copper coil assembly, you'll experience improved signal transmission, ensuring you get the best reception possible, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a tailgate. The BJSIA Universal Car Antenna is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including several models of Ford, Dodge, Chevrolet, GMC, Jeep, and Toyota trucks. In terms of durability, you can rest easy knowing this antenna is designed to handle even the harshest weather conditions. It's weather-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and built to last, so you can rely on it no matter where your travels take you. So, whether you're looking for a reliable antenna that enhances your truck's appearance or need one that will last through all conditions, the BJSIA Universal Car Antenna Replacement is the perfect choice. It combines durability, performance, and easy installation, making it one of the best truck parts you can buy. That's it for today's review of the BJSIA Universal Car Antenna Replacement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best automotive accessories.